So hello guys, myself is Harshit Kumawat and as you all know I am pursuing PGDM Diploma in Retail Management from Jims College Delhi. And if you don't know about PGDM Diploma is more or less relevant to MBA program, and there are not major difference between MBA program and PGDM Diploma. So in today's video I will tell you that why should you go for MBA and why should you not go for MBA, because there are a lot of students in India only, they are thinking for going for a MBA, but in the mind they also have a second thought that if they go for MBA, so they will get the result or they will get ROI, which is a return on investment. They will get ROI or not. So in today's video I will discuss all the things that why should you go and why should you not go for MBA. So let's start the video. Coming to direct at a point that the full form of MBA is Master of Business Administrative, and it is a postgraduate degree which is majorly focused on building leadership skills or learning business principle. And most of the things, 80 to 90% things in your MBA go roam around for either building leadership skills or learning business principle. But for most of the student the MBA will provide more than that, like a big check, a strong professional network, or you can say a bridge for a job, for a good job. But all these things you only get when you enroll yourself for the right reason, because if you enroll yourself for the wrong reason, and the result of MBA may it take 2 to 3 years. Like for if those students who enrolled themselves for a right reason, they will get immediately, not immediately but more than within a 1 year. But for those students who enrolled for a wrong reason, the result of MBA may take 2 to 3 years. So enroll yourself for So now this is a time for me to tell you the right reason, and I am too much excited for telling you the right reason for enrolling yourself in a MBA, because I love the positive and the right things. Definitely this is my fundamental for my life. So discuss one by one the right reason, that what are the right reason for enrolling yourself in MBA. So first reason is that your future, your career will be ready after completing the MBA. Yes, it's definitely a good, you can say, chance if you enroll yourself for MBA and you do good things in a MBA of a 2-year journey. So it definitely your future will be ready, because when you are surround yourself with the leadership people and with the leadership skills and the, you can say, the people who are doing business already. If you are learning the business principle, then definitely you will get whatever you want, and your future will be ready when you learn the business principle. Because the fundamental of your life in the MBA, that if you have a good knowledge on a business principle, then definitely either you can start your own startup, because there are a lot of the students who start their startup in the period of MBA only, because you get the knowledge of business principle, how the management you have to handle, and how to the planning, controlling, functioning, everything will work. So if you have a good knowledge, then your future will be definitely ready, or you can go for a company, you can go for a good job, you will get a good salary, you can get a job in any company, you name it, Procter & Gamble, ITC, Bisleri, Patanjali, Tata, Aditya Birla, Reliance Group, in luxury company also, you just name it the company. If you work hard during these 2 years, you will get whatever you want. This is the basic fundamental. And the second thing is that you enroll yourself for exploring new industries or functions. Like I will tell you the original example. In my class only, there are 4 to 5 students who come after completing their BTech. After completing BTech, they come in a MBA. So the reason of those pursuing MBA after completing BTech, they were saying that we have to learn the business principle. They are looking as an opportunity to learn something new, because they are already have a good knowledge of engineering, but they want that how business principle work, how leadership skills, how leadership people work, how to things done by other people and everything. If you are good at learning the business principle, and if you are ready to learn new things, you are welcome in your MBA program. Because there are a lot of the people who sort out, in the end they sort out that either they have to start their own startup, or they have to do a job in a company. So they can go for both. But for these type of people, mostly they start their own startup, because they come for a different knowledge. When you have a two industry knowledge, so you can find out the bridge, that where the lake, where the gap between these two industries, so they automatically find their way. The third thing is that to accelerate your career path. So I will definitely tell you that after completing the MBA, many companies will offer you a good package in a number of a salary. Like when you completed your 12th, if you go in a Jara store, and if you want to work in a Jara company, so they will give you approx 12,000, like they will give you salary of 12,000 approx. But when you did your MBA, then you go for a Jara same store, and at the same profile, not for the same profile but upper profile, so you will get a good package in you can say 30 to 40,000. So that is a acceleration of in your salary, that you completed your MBA, then there will be 100% chance that you will get good package of a company. But if you are enrolling yourself for getting a good salary, not be the reason that I will get the good salary. You have to work hard during the 2-year journey, and then only you will get the good salary. So we will discuss wrong reason one by one. So first wrong reason is that you are looking for a magic pill. Because if you are thinking like this, if you enroll yourself for an MBA, then you will get the golden tickets for your good job, good salary, and good job in a reputed company like Tata, Aditya Birla, Reliance, and luxury companies, that you will get the good job in luxury companies. Brother, nothing like this. It will not happen. Nothing like this. I will tell you. I will give you guarantee. Because it requires a hard work, patience and knowledge. Because when you have to attend the 9 to 5 classes, which is a mandatory, the 75% attendance is mandatory for you if you are going for a MBA. And after coming to the college, you have to complete your assignments, projects and internship within the guidelines and in a creative manner. If you are doing check of doing, then what is the difference of you are doing or other people who are on the road who also are doing their work? So you have to do in a creative manner, which require a passion and hard work. And the third thing is that you have to take the knowledge around the world, that what is going on around in the world, if related to your stream, and what like in the future, what you will be in the future related, and what are the changes happening in related to your career or related to your stream. So don't think like think for a magic pill. You will not get in an MBA. go search for any other stream or anywhere. The second reason is that your parents offers to pay for it. So like many student, not many, but some of student have a good financial support, and if you have a good financial support, I will appreciate, not I only, I all the world will appreciate you, that you have a good support. But don't let only this reason, that you have a good support, you have a good financial support, so you are going for MBA. Don't be only this reason, because many, like there are a lot of the people who don't have a, they are struggling for a basic things. If you have a financial support, then do things which you are passionate. Like if you have a good financial support, do for the society, do for your loved ones, and do for our country, do for the world, do a lot of the good things if you have a financial support. But if you have a financial support and you are enrolling yourself for MBA, don't let this reason only for enrolling yourself in MBA. And the third thing is that you are bored because of your current job, and you completed your graduation, and you have taken an experience of 1 year, but you don't have you want to do something new for the sake of doing new. Don't be the reason that you enrolled in a business school because you don't have a things to do. Don't you think that this reason will be right or wrong. So don't be these three things. One is you are looking for a magic pill, you have a good financial support, and third thing is that you are bored because of you don't have a things to do. So these three reasons, don't be these three reasons for enrolling yourself in MBA. So if you are new at this channel, please subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon to get more update related to the MBA program. Till that, bye bye, thank you.